This video walks you through how to change your email address in Gusto. Start from your Gusto account while you are already signed in. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access personal settings connected to your login and profile details. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. After the settings page opens, look for the personal area. Under Personal, make sure My Profile is selected before you continue. If another section is highlighted, switch back to My Profile so you are viewing the correct page for account information. Once you are on the profile page, move to the top portion of the screen and find the Account section. This section contains the login details tied to your Gusto account. In that area, locate the email line. Next to Email, click Change to begin updating the address associated with the account. A Change Your Email Address window will appear. In this window, Gusto asks you to confirm your identity before making the update. Enter your current Gusto password in the password field. Make sure you use the password for the account you are currently signed into, since this step is used to approve the change. After that, click into the New Email field and enter the email address you want to use going forward. Check the spelling carefully before saving, especially the domain and any extra characters, since this is the address that will be attached to the account after the update is processed. When both fields are complete, click Save. Gusto will then begin processing the request. Give it a moment to finish. Depending on the account and connection, the update may take a short time to apply. Stay on the page and look for confirmation from Gusto that the change has been completed. Once the system confirms the update, you can verify that the new address now appears in the email area of the account section. That confirms the account is now using the new email address. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto email address has now been updated.